Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm cooking mince with rice. This is such a simple and budget meal. So oil in the pan. Now I'm going to add 2 onions. I'm going to cook my onions for 1 minute or so. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon and a half garlic paste. Now I'm going to cook this for about 1 minute and a half. Let this cook for about 1 minute or so. Now I'm going to add my mince meat. So this is about 500 grams of mince. Now I'm going to break the mince down and brown the mince until they are nice and cooked. Just going to break this down. And now I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Now paprika, a tablespoon of paprika. Now a teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of cayenne seasoning. Now I'm going to cook the spices through. Now I'm going to add about 2 diced onions, carrot please, sorry. Add 2 diced carrots. And then I'm going to add tomato puree, about 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now I'm just gonna mix through all this. I'm just gonna add some green onions, and then let's see. Now I'm going to add a cup of beef stock. And now I'm just going to add rosemary. Rice. And then cover for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, I'm gonna check my beef mince. Alright, this is looking good. Now I'm just gonna remove the rosemary. Remove that. And the other one, just remove that. Alright guys, this is looking good. I'm going to serve this with rice. There you have it guys, a cheap meal for dinner today.